Logistics. I have no clue what this company is, but it looks like they carry Ferraris. What's going on with the truckers? So a subscriber asked me, Alex, how do I find out what type of trucking makes the most money? And honestly, it's all research, man, and it's asking questions, and you can do it yourself. When you're at the truck stop, walk around, look at the baddest trucks, look at them close and be like, wait a minute, which one sticks out? There's a chance that that dude or lady is probably making money. So my advice for you is you got to hunt for it. You got to want it bad. But if you're looking for the best company or best job or the best industry in trucking, you're not just going to find it by Googling it. You got to go, you got to roam around, you got to look and pay attention. So I'm going to show you an example of this. So I'm at the 595 truck stop and I'm just roaming around, right? So I'm looking for a better company. Just say I work for Swift or I work for a mega carrier and I'm making $700 a week and I'm like, hey, I want the next step. What is it? Well, I pay attention to the trucks, man. That's what I do. Now, I'm not trying to say that all these guys make money, right? We're not trying to say that. But what I am saying is pay attention. You know what I mean? Like, look at that. All these car haulers, they got these dope-ass Peterbilts. That guy, he's possibly making money, right? This guy right here, you know, his truck looks kind of beat up, might not be making money, right? And so you just got to pay attention and you got to look around your surroundings. You know what I mean? Like, it's hard to judge. This guy looks like he cares about his truck, but put, you know, new exhaust on it, but, you know, he's building it up. You know, he might be making money, might not. But all of them kind of look bland, and that's like this guy right here. You know, it's hard to gauge. But then you see something like this, right? And you look at it and you go, what the hell? I mean, you know, GPI or GP Logistics. I have no clue what this company is, but it looks like they carry Ferraris. You know, a lot of car haulers say they don't make money, but this guy possibly would be making money. I'm not saying knock on the man's door, but if you see him, ask him a question. You know, find out if he is making money or not. You know, figure it out. Talk to people. Just say you're new and you're looking for the next big thing. You know what? A lot of these guys are really nice, man. They're not bad out here. You know, they might be tired from working, so they don't mean to brush you off. But truck drivers are great people and they're here to help people. But I bet you he's probably doing all right. That's all I got to say about that. And I'll tell you this. A lot of these guys, they do pretty good. They make money. You know, it's one of those things where you just got to look at it. You know what? Give me one second. Yeah. No, I'll just walk like this. I don't want to show your face or anything, you know, because I want to respect you, sir. Sure. But, okay, so, hey, guys, so I actually just ran into the gentleman that drives at JP Logistics. And the trailer looked amazing. It had Ferrari. I'm sure people get wowed by that, sir.
Oh, yeah.
But, you know, there's a lot of car haulers that say they don't make any money and this and that. And, you know, that's probably true. But I'm looking at your truck. I'm not trying to get into your pocket, but it probably takes some time to get to your level.
Yes, it does. It takes a lot of time. But, again, if you're patient and if you're good at what you do, you're able to do it.
So just say I worked at Swift and I walked up to you and asked you, after Swift, what would be your best advice for me if I wanted to get to this level that you're at, sir?
You know, that's hard to say because I do obviously do enclose.
Yes, sir.
And doing enclosed, it takes time. You got to have your own truck and trailer. It just, you know, again, it's hard to say,
right.
You know, but the time that you put in, the years that I put in, I mean, it pays off at the end.
Well, I really appreciate that, sir.
No problem.
No, thank you. You have a great day. And you see right there, I mean, he was just giving us quick information, but it's one of those things where, you know, there's money in what he does. When he really didn't want to talk about it, you know, us being respectful, you know, there's money. And you keep an eye on that and you go, wait a minute, what's this company? Maybe call this company. Maybe ask the dispatchers there, what type of experience do you need? Maybe they say 1 year, but we need it from somewhere else. Reverse engineer and figure it out. But the biggest part about it is you got to put in the legwork. You know, I'm just over here BSing around, but we run into the driver coming in getting lunch. So that's what it takes. You know, next thing you know, you talk to a couple enclosed drivers and you go, wait a minute, that might be what I want to do. So There it is. Now, pay attention, mother truckers. I'm not saying the car haulers in the back don't make money. I got a lot of friends that are car haulers that make good money. But then there's a lot that aren't as well. And so that's no disrespect to anyone. But if you want to make more money and you find yourself at a job that you're not making anything compared to what these others are making, you got to do your research. And you just can't go off of YouTubers and Google. You know, you can't go off of the recruiters because they're just going to make everything sound great. You got to put in the work. If you got some value out of this video, hit the like and subscribe for more videos just like this, mother truckers. But a lot of people are always asking, how can they support the show? You know, how can I get the hats? Well, just go to the AsianMyShow.com and grab yourself a mother trucker hat or shirt, man. I appreciate the support, and I thank you all for just everything. You know, you guys have changed my life and gave me purpose, and I love you.